In today's video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from any image for free using AI with no watermark. All you have to do is check my video description for this site link. Select the continue with the Google option. After logging to the site, select view all option next to quick editing tools. Scroll down, select this remove object option. Select the image you want to remove object. Just double click to open. Brush has been opened as you can see. I'm going to remove this one guys. As you can see, it's not needed for this thumbnail. Select the object you want to remove and select the remove option. As you can see that text has been disappeared. You can use the same thing for this guy or any other object you want to make it as disappear, and then select the keep option to save it, and select close and select the download option. Select the download option and it will start downloading. After download done, as you can see before image, I will show you. As you can see, the before image has this line and we removed successfully. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.